Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and welcome to my channel The Green Corner. In today's video, I am going to show you 3 easy ways to make planters. So without doing further delay, let's jump into the video. For making the first planter, I am using jute fabric which I bought online from Amazon. I will keep the link in description box if you want to buy it. Also I am using hot glue gun to stick everything because it makes it so easy. You can also stitch it if you don't have hot glue gun. This is the most interesting part of this planter. You can choose any shape or just write a catchy quote to make it more interesting. For making this second planter, I am using denim fabric from my old denim kurti. Also I made this cylindrical shape from the cardboards and just sticking everything using Fevicol. So for making this last one, you will need popsicle sticks. I am just coloring them with the help of acrylic colors and sticking them randomly on the cylindrical shape with Fevicol. I hope you like all the 3 ideas. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Bye bye.